Is your Delta bathroom faucet dripping, leaking, or hard to turn? Don't worry, you don't need to call a plumber. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix your Delta bathroom faucet the right way. From identifying the problem to replacing the cartridge, I'll cover everything you need to know so you can save money and stop that annoying drip. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed. Before we start, here's what you'll need. Adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers. Allen wrench, usually 1/8 inch for Delta faucets. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, replacement Delta cartridge, specific to your faucet model, plumber's grease, towel or rag asterisk, small bucket or bowl. Step 1. Identify the problem. A leaky Delta faucet usually means the cartridge is worn out. If the handle is hard to move, the cartridge may be corroded or dirty. If the water temperature doesn't adjust properly, the cartridge may not be functioning correctly. Most of the time, the solution is simply replacing the cartridge. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Look under the sink and locate the 2 shut-off valves, one for hot water and one for cold. Turn them clockwise to shut off the water. Open the faucet to relieve pressure and drain any remaining water. Place a towel or bowl under the faucet area in case any water leaks out. Step 3. Remove the handle. Locate the set screw, usually on the side or back of the faucet handle. Use an Allen wrench to loosen and remove it. Carefully lift the handle off. If it's stuck, wiggle it gently. Don't force it too hard or you could damage the finish. Step 4. Remove the trim and retaining nut. After removing the handle, you'll see a decorative cap or sleeve. Slide this off. Next, you'll see a retaining nut holding the cartridge in place. Use an adjustable wrench or pliers to loosen and remove it. Set these parts aside carefully so you can reinstall them later. Step 5. Remove the cartridge grasp, the top of the cartridge, and pull it straight out. Some cartridges may be snug. Use pliers if needed. Take note of the orientation of the cartridge so you install the new one correctly. Bring the old cartridge to the hardware store or check your faucet model number to make sure you buy the correct Delta replacement part. Step 6. Install the new cartridge. Apply a small amount of plumber's grease to the O-rings on the new cartridge. Insert the new cartridge in the same orientation as the old one. Make sure it's seated firmly in place. Reinstall the retaining nut and tighten it securely, but don't over-tighten. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Slide the decorative sleeve or trim back into place. Reattach the faucet handle with the set screw. Tighten the screw with the Allen wrench. Step 8. Turn on the water and test. Slowly turn the shutoff valves counterclockwise to restore water supply. Open the faucet and let water run for a few seconds to flush out air and debris. Check for leaks around the handle or base. Test both hot and cold water to make sure the cartridge works properly. Still dripping? Check that the cartridge is fully seated and the retaining nut is tight. Handle feels stiff? Apply plumber's grease to moving parts. Water flow weak? Clean the aerator at the tip of the spout. Mineral buildup can cause low water pressure. And that's it. You just fixed your Delta bathroom faucet. No more leaks, no more wasted water, and no expensive plumber bills. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing and car repair tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about your faucet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.